beating a Porsche! No! I'm beating a Porsche! No! I'm beating a Porsche! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to Eurocracy here local in Montreal, one of the biggest Euro car shows in Canada. There's some drag races down there and I want to see how much faster I got now that last video I installed the intercooler and I'm pretty much stage 2. So let's pick up the girlfriend and let's head out. This car's way too much fun. Love it. Alright boys, I think we made it. All Volkswagens, BMWs, Audis, you know.
Why'd you say boys? There could be girls too.
Okay, boys and girls. So many Volkswagens. I mean, I expected it, but at the same time, I didn't expect this many Volkswagens. What the fuck is that? That's so cool!
Sexy.
Look at those mini bikes, you're missing everything. Wow, some E30s, dude. Holy crap, those are mint. This one's mint. Holy fuck, on BBS's too? Wow, that's sick. Oh wow, this one too on BBS's. Jesus Christ, that's nice. It's literally on the floor. That's insane. That is literally insane. Props for this build. That's actually sick as fuck. Yo, it's tucking tire, dude. Wow, that's insane. Wow, this car is fucking beautiful. Wow. Literally mint. It's literally a mint car. Dude. Wow, that's insane.
They're so clean.
That is literally insane. Wow. 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 Which one's your favorite so far?
The Audi.
The Audi, the S7? No, was it RS7? RS7, of course it was. She obviously chooses the most expensive one.
It's been my favorite forever.
Déjà ça commence. This guy's doing a burnout on a spare tire. That's not meant to race. M4 versus RS3. Wow. Buddy. Holy moly. Jesus Murphy. Wow, some nice HREs. Yeah, you're no kidding, you like them. They're fucking expensive. Time to get some laps in. We're gonna get our time. I need you to see what my previous time was.
14.
My best time was a 14.064. So I don't know how well you guys can see that. I doubt you could.
You can't see it, Joe.
Right there. Okay, 14.064. That was my best time ever last year. Before any of the mods basically were done.
No, you still had stuff done.
What, a charge pipe? It doesn't do anything. Now this year that I have my downpipe, intercooler, intakes, and I'm tuned on JB4. I'm around 400. I'm so curious to see what time I get. Are you curious too?
I'm curious. Let's do it.
Of course you're curious. She gives 0.
You're mean. So we're ready to race. Ready, Julian?
Are you ready?
Let me see my launch on.
My launch is my foot.
Huh?
I don't have a special launch control. All the fucking gadgets.
I never raced. My first time.
But you drive?
Yeah.
Okay, you drive.
25. Like I've never been on a fucking shot.
You're good. You're good. So we're racing a Golf R 2018.
And we say bye-bye.
Ah, fuck, I misshifted. Damn it. Damn it.
She beat
Fuck,
you.
yeah, but that thing weighs 4 pounds. I misshifted. What a bitch. Fuck.
You want me to continue videoing?
So mad I lost to a girl.
That's not nice. He's mad, guys.
Alright, so I ran the codes on JB4 and it said that I have a boost leak. That's why I'm not running my my power. So I'm gonna try again. I deleted the codes to see if that does anything. Usually that does something. But there's a leak somewhere. Fuck.
And we're back.
Come on.
Go. It felt faster.
Yeah, it felt better. That fucking boost leak. I tightened everything so hard. But it felt fine until we got here, obviously. Obviously, it's like that, eh? You prepare for something, everything feels good until you get there, then, oh wait, we have a problem.
Then Mad Julian comes.
Damn it! Alors, gauche. Oui. Ah. Meilleur aujourd'hui.
1420 still.
Fuck! Oh, that's cum. That is literally...
Okay, relax.
So
Julian got 13.
13.95.
And he only got 13.4.
Yeah, I raced an RS4, a V8
Wow.
RS4 with a fucking... I think it was turbo.
Good job, B.
He got 13.4, I got 13.95. I finally broke 14. Okay,
Watch the pull.
So I got... Yeah, I'm watching. I have to go again.
What?
One more.
Oh,
After this though, I'm
we're
gonna
done
heat soak.
after this.
Why?
My head's gonna hurt.
Alright, last race I just did against a Audi A3. I got a 13.878. That is my fastest time ever and fastest time today, so that's good. Huh? You just happy because you're eating your little pizza? Yeah?
Really good though.
The car's officially in heat soak mode, so I'm just gonna let it cool down there. We're gonna have a pizza and just walk around, I guess, eh? Just chill a bit. Look at this. Bentley. That's so crazy.
Integrate engineering.
Jesus Christ. This one. This is Silver Beamer on Instagram. Look at this interior. Come look. It's insane. It's crazy. Wow, this is really nice. That color is retarded. Slammed air ride suspension with CSL trunk. Wow. That's
fucking terrible.
That's like way too much. This is a legit, the hood. This guy has no hood. This is the hood. Right here. This is legit his hood. Wow, that's fucked. I've never seen that before. Even him, no hood. I think, is it a thing that like I don't know about?
That's funny. I don't know.
Wow, look at the size of this thing. Look at the size of this compressor. It's bigger than the one I have at home. Holy shit. That's massive. Oh, even him. Everyone's back over here. He's checking his suspension, seeing if the wheel bearings, everything's good. Yeah, he's changing the tires. He is changing the tires. He's legit changing the tires. This has been so popular lately, especially on like Instagram, just seeing marble cars. I don't know how I feel about it though. They're legit like, I don't know, 10 grand wheels. Damn. Damn. Wow, that's insane. Props. Alright, so we walked around, we saw what you saw. There's some nice cars, some really cool builds to be honest. But now I let the car cool down a bit. It's at about 95 degrees. So now I'm gonna go back again, see if I could beat my time. So obviously I have a boost leak, so the most I can do today is really just focus on my reaction time. So that last one was 0.3, not good. I've gotten 0.111, I got 0.115.
No, I think it was 0.164.
Really? Come on.
Go, 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 go!
Come on, baby. I think that was it. I think that was it. Left.
1410. Reaction is 538.
Ah!
Don't worry.
Damn it. Thanks. I'm keeping up.
Go, go, go! You got this! Go! Hey, good job!
I
How did
actually
you know
kept
it was
up with
ready?
him. I think that was a 13. Left.
Reaction is now 366. And you're at 1363.
Yes!
Hey!
What did I tell you?
Yes! Fuck yeah! Okay, cool, thanks.
Thank you.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
This is okay.
Yes! 13.6!
Good
Fuck
job.
yeah! I have a boost leak and I'm getting 13.6.
Give me.
Holy f.
Hey, I think your reaction was good. Go!
I'm going. I'm beating a Porsche.
Go, go, go!
I'm beating a Porsche!
I don't even see
I'm
it.
beating a Porsche!
Go!
I'm beating a
Go,
Porsche!
go!
I'm beating a Porsche! Ah! I beat a Porsche! I beat a Porsche! Am I gonna lose my voice? Holy shit, I'm gonna lose my voice! I beat a fucking Porsche, bro! I beat a fucking Porsche! Wow, this stuff makes me horny. I love this. I beat a Porsche. I beat a Porsche. Let's dance. I beat a Porsche. I think that was my best time. Beat a Porsche. Oh yeah, the lady's gonna tell me good job. She's gonna tell me you'd listen to me, and I'm gonna say yes, I did. Left. I beat a Porsche.
Yay!
Yes!
Fucking lotto ticket, get off.
Yes! Thanks!
Thanks.
Hey, getting there.
I know!
You told her I beat a Porsche.
Abby.
Get in line, there's people.
Alright, so went over all the speeds, and my best reaction time was a 0.114, which is really good. My fastest time for sure was 13.531. But I have a boost leak, so I could only imagine it's gonna do another, like, I don't know, half a second at least, you know? I could for sure get 12s, but
High 12, I think.
yeah, exactly. There was two other races that the fastest time was around 13.5 let's say 3.
Was this when you were with me?
I don't know. See, that's the thing.
If you weren't with me, it wasn't you.
Are you sure?
100%. I can bet my life on it.
But she said at one point 13,350, and that's
Not
what the
with
fastest
me.
time here was.
Not with me.
I don't know, man.
Maybe I was in the car, but not when I was standing outside videotaping you.
I think so, though.
But
I remember she said that, so I potentially could be a 13.35, but I'm for sure 13.5. My fastest time was a 14. Let me see. 14.064 stock, and I think I had a charge pipe just because of maintenance. This year, tuned stage 2 with GB4.
with a gas leak.
No, not a gas leak. That'd
What
be
is
really
it?
bad. A boost leak. With a boost leak, I'm at 13.531 for sure. So that's
It's good.
That's good.
And it might be 13.3.
And it might be 13.350. Yeah, so many nice cars. That was a beautiful
There's
RS3.
so many RS3s here.
Yeah, it's crazy,
So
eh?
many RS3s or,
Yeah,
or S3s. They're
Yeah, there's a bunch of.
crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I think I choose the RS3 over the M2, by the way. I think I changed my mind. Hello! We're trying to end the video here.
End it.
What do you want me to say?
I think we're gonna wrap up today's video, huh?
I think so.
Guys, subscribe to the channel because I have a lot planned, and I have potentially another project car coming on the channel that I've been potentially. So I'm looking at some stuff for winter. So if you guys have anything, any recommendations for a winter car,
In Montreal.
Yeah, in Montreal,
So
or even a
real-
general model, so that I could look them up, so I could update
Yeah, but
my.
an actual winter car, not like they're gonna give you sports cars.
No, it's not really a sports car. It's more of a comfort, like
A
winter
nice-
beater. It's a winter beater, because the snow here and the salt and everything kind of destroys the cars, and I don't want that this year. Anyways, if you guys have any suggestions, I've been looking into Golfs, some 2010 Golfs, that year-ish. So if you guys see anything or know anyone that, wow, that's cops going really fast. What, did you hear that? If you guys have any suggestions, any models, let me know down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Stuff that makes sense, like under 5 grand Canadian. Anyways, guys, remember to drive what drives you. Stay tuned for next video because it's gonna be interesting, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at